So first you open the package and you press the red button. So remove this tab and you should hear a sound playing. Okay, the next step now is to add the connector. So you add this connector here, like this. This will allow you to record the song. So now you get your cable and you connect your cable here. The other side of your cable should be on the device playing the music. In this case, I'm going to use my iPhone with the Spotify, but because the iPhone does not connect directly to this, I will need an adapter. Because my iPhone does not connect directly to this cable, I'm going to need this adapter here. And I'm going to use my iPhone playing a song on Spotify. So my iPhone is playing Girls Just Wanna Have Fun. I'm gonna connect it here. Make sure that the volume is high and press this button. And I'm gonna count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and press again. Now if I remove this cable and press this button, I can hear the sound. It's super loud, so I'm going to record it again with the sound a little lower. So I do the same thing again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's better now. The last step is to add the LED. You will notice that the LED has two legs. One is shorter than the other. One is the positive leg, the longer leg, and the other one is the negative leg. So what you're going to do is going to play the music, and you're going to position the LED legs on these two spots here on the speaker, where the two white wires get to the speaker. It is a little bit tricky. You're gonna need to test it a couple of times, and sometimes you need to reverse to make sure that it's working. Let's try. So there you go. So if I hold it in place while the song is playing, I should be able to see the LED blinking. So the next step is to attach the LED to the speakers using this tape here.